Incredible benefits of honey. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the incredible health benefits of taking honey. So my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men, natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the incredible health benefits of taking honey? When you consume honey, you are going to get so many amazing health benefits which most people don't know. The incredible part of it is that some of these benefits are not known by some people, but if people know about these incredible benefits of honey, they will consume honey as much as they can. But honey is very good for men, women, and children, especially for men. So if you take honey consistently, it will give you wonderful benefits. But if you have high sugar level in your body system, or you have too much sugar, or you are diabetic, avoid this honey. But if you don't have, take honey 1 teaspoonful for 30 days. You will get all these health benefits. So number one is that honey help you to have a sharp brain. Your brain works faster if you have a good immune system and a good body function. And honey will help you to have a good immune system, nourish your body system, and also help the genes and hormone that will help you to have a sharp brain. So taking honey consistently can help you to have a sharp brain. Number two is that it gives you a healthy vision. That is, eyesight will be clear. If you have a short sight, with honey, it can improve your sight. Number three is immune system builder. If you take honey consistently, it will boost up your immune system. It will help you to have a good immune system. Believe me that good immunity helps to fight diseases and germs. Your immunity will help you to fight any bacteria, virus, or fungal diseases that might attack your body system or also attack your immune system. When you take honey, it will boost up your immune system, and this your immune system will fight any diseases or germs in your body system. Number five is that it will increase your sperm count as a man. If you are a man, you want to increase your sperm count, you want to have a good sperm, maybe you have a watery sperm, intake of honey consistently will help you get rid of it. So take honey to make your semen strong and thick. Honey can do all this. Another health benefit that honey does is that with honey, you will have a good blood flow and blood circulation. Honey will help you to boost up your immune system. And once your immune system is in order, that is when your body system will be able to work perfectly and to revitalize and to distribute both fluid and maybe blood to all parts of your body system. And with this, that is when you will perform well as a man. So these are the credible or incredible health benefits of taking honey. So I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.